yeah.
Long winter?
Sorry, I only see clients by appointment. It's $50. I don't kiss and I don't do any weird shit.
Fine by me.
Yeah, I'm gonna pay for some porn.
Put your money on the table. You got exactly 10 minutes when the alarm rings. It's over, okay?
How about I get one of your beers, bitch? What you gonna do about that? What do I do now? I don't know what's telling me to do. Oh, I'm just looking at it. Vote. Well, she's patriotic.
You should take your clothes off. We ain't got all day.
Actually, I'm not a customer.
Shit, a cop. I should know. What do you want, a freebie? Is that it?
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. The families of the victims of the Origami Killer asked me to investigate the murders. I came here just to ask you some questions about Johnny.
I already told the police all I know and I have nothing to add. Leave me alone.
Compassionate, persist.
Are you deaf? I have nothing to say to you. Get out of here.
I understand, Laura. I know what you're going through.
Oh yeah? You know what it feels like to find your own son's body on a wasteland? I'm sorry, I don't believe you have the slightest idea what I'm going through, Mr. Shelby.
There'll be other victims if we don't stop the killer. You have got to help me, Laura. You may know something that can aid the investigation.
Help you? There's nothing you can do. My son's dead, do you hear me? He's dead!
Buy or trick? Trick!
If we don't find the killer, there'll be other mothers who find their son's body on a deserted wasteland. But you're right. Why should you care? It's not your problem anymore, right?
Oh, I thought trick was going to be something else, if you know what I mean.
What do you want to know?
Johnny?
Tell me about Johnny. What kind of kid was he?
Johnny was really a good boy. Sometimes he fought with other kids who called me a, In his own way, I think he understood what was going on.
Oh, I sat down. Cool.
Did you suspect anyone after he disappeared?
I meet a lot of pretty shady characters in my line of work. Sure, I thought of it at first. But it didn't seem to make any sense. I don't believe any of my clients could have done that to my Johnny and all those other kids.
Did Johnny live with you?
Yes.
I can understand why they did the control scheme this way.
Of course,
now.
I made sure he never met any of my clients. I wanted to stop, But we needed the money. I was trying
It's gonna
to
take some
earn
getting
enough
used
to
to,
get
though.
us out of here.
How did your son disappear?
He used to go play with the neighborhood kids after school. It was pouring down something awful that day. I'll never forget it.
I can't see what this is telling me to do.
All his friends came home around 5.
Something tells me it's going to be a game I have to play in HD. Oh, there we go.
Time's up, Mr. Shelby. I hope you got what you wanted. Now get out of here.
I didn't learn squat. Well, worth a try. No point in pushing it. She's not going to tell me anymore.
I paid good money.
Well, if you remember anything, the smallest detail, give me a call. I gotta get out of here.
What the hell? Where's that dude going?
Lauren, open up, baby. It's me.
Troy, what are you doing here? I already told you I don't want to see you anymore.
Sorry, Dal, but I really wanted to see ya.
Hey! Hey!
What do you want,
Punch him!
asshole?
Punch him! Punch him!
Lauren, is everything all right?
She's just swell. Now beat it, loser.
Oh, hell no. Look at it!
You again? If you're looking for trouble, you found it. I'm gonna beat the shit out of you. Oh!
Ah. 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 Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Kick his ass, sea bass.
I'll see you again, asshole.
Are you alright?
Better than him, I guess. Who is he?
An ex-client who thinks he owns me. He was getting violent and I told him I didn't want to see him anymore.
You should be careful. He'll probably be back. Sorry about the mess.
Mr. Shelby,
Yeah.
thanks.
How can you go circle to X to triangle?